This is my friend's first ever PC build. He started out strong by taking out the motherboard first, but then for the second component, he went for the power supply. He actually did that because I told him to, as we needed to update the BIOS on this B660 motherboard to be compatible with the 13600K. Now that the BIOS is updated, he can install the CPU, next the RAM, and finally the SSD. It really looks like he knows what he's doing. Wait, did he just pull off the entire thermal pad? Okay, yeah, stick that back on there.